Anyway, I was doing a video earlier and it must be too cold, but it's 20 degrees. People's drainage ditches are freezing. It is frickin' 20 degrees, and then the wind is just blowing like crap. I took some video of some trees, but I don't know. I just figured I'd get out today and check out how the weather was, but it was ice pellets first. Now it's just with the wind chill. I probably imagine it'd be like 10 degrees. It is freaking cold as shit out of here. There's snow blowing off. Flags flying. There you go. The wind is just ridiculous. I might have to cut this walk short because, oh my god, my hand is, holy crap, it is cold. There's frozen stuff. Anyway, yeah, we knew it was coming, but it's about 8 hours later than they predicted. So it is freaking cold, man. Woo! And this drainage ditch over here is absolutely covered in ice. It was 22 when I went to bed at 2 o'clock, and then it got down to like 16 overnight, and I got up early, and it was raining ice pellets. But yeah, this stuff is freaking cold. Whew, shit. Sorry, I'm trying to pull up my jacket over my ears. It is freaking cold. And hey, Navy buddy down there in California, I'm not a wuss. I'm out in this shit walking, so you can piss off. That's from my Navy friend. Anyway, whatever. God, it is. Maybe able to make a snowman or a snow fort tonight. It's kind of a rare event here in Washington to have this kind of weather. Man, it is. Oh, frick. Alright, I'm turning around. That wind is just too. Holy crap. Whoa. And I was watching the news this morning, and anybody that knows Portland, there's a West Hills, right? And there's up by the zoo, Sylvan over reporter out there, and she couldn't even her eyes went back, going so hard. So we'll see how much. Holy, it's freaking cold as. I guess I'll say it, a witch's tit in a brass bra. Jeez. It is freaking cold. Here, let's get. I don't know if you can hear the wind, but look at the trees. Yeah. Oh, man. Woo! Big gust of wind there. Wow. And I'm walking into the wind. Holy crap. I mean, I don't know if you can see the wind. I mean, how much snow and the wind is. Jeez. Trees. Wow. I get back in the warm, man. I gotta haul ass here because it is freaking. Oh, man. Woo. I'd imagine it's. Wind chill is probably in the single digits. Look at the snow. Holy crap. Woo. It is freaking cold, man. Cold as hell. Trees. I was gonna try to go for like a mile walk, but I don't think so. It is, whoa. Woo! Anyway, guys, I'm gonna let you go. I'm almost home, but this is freaking crazy, man. All right, take care. Peace out, man. Love you. Bye.